you know, was just not to concede and keep the game as close as we could. And then whatever we got, we took it, and that's what we did.
You said the game would have best played in your hands before. Do you think they have that you have more at the end of the day?
Oh yes, Colin, I think that a glorious opportunity to make it 2-0. And I think if we had scored that, we probably could have gotten more. But so such is life. If you had told me at the start of the game, if I would take a 1-0 lead and don't play, I would have said yes, I would take it. So I'm grateful. Yeah, that plus we have injuries. So if you notice, I had to shuffle around the team a lot. But I still think we came up with a winning form.
And Harbour, you know, is a winning animal now, defending champions. How much of a confidence do you can hold off this one and hold out extended from the second game?
So when teams have to hunt goals, there are certain characteristics about those teams. So we are going to just try and figure out what we can do to make life hard for them and hope we can get the first goal in the second one.
So you're trying to hold on to the lead and you want to keep
I think we need another goal. I don't think one is enough. Oh, definitely they're not going to go down. They are the defending champion. I expect them to try and retain the title. You know, we now have a week to go back and reassess, get our legs back, you know, because we played a game on Friday. So, and also to get the players' mind in the right condition. Because they were still a little bit out from what happened on Friday night, but I think that they would have recovered sufficiently next week. They will be like very enthusiastic because they know they are just probably a goal away from going into the finals. So. No. They are employees of Cavalier, so we have to find a way to reimburse them one way or the other and see how it works out.
Coach, a quick question on the pace of the game. Were you happy with the goal things were going to play based on the transition from one pace to the other?
Well, one of the things that every team have to be wary about us is the pace what we carry. Because when we take off pace, we can add more pace. So our meta always have something to do with that amount of pace that we have. And what we want to try. So even if we look like we are being outplayed, we don't matter. We just drop in shape in the spaces that we deny team from scoring. Then you know, say with the twinkling in the eye, we could be in your box. And that's always going to be dangerous.